So this is the follow-up work for hop on, hop off. We're going to be coming up with rhyming words on the first page. So help me out. Pop, hop. You can also get your alphabet sheet out of your homework folder and change the onset. So pop, hop, mop, top, cop, chop, stop. So any of those would work. I'm over here on number 2. Read it with me. Lot, got. What would rhyme? Dot from the book. Remember the little girl? Lot, got, dot, pot, not, hot, number 3, read it. Log, fog, jog, clog, bog, hog. You can come up with probably better ideas than I have. Let's see if we can go down. I'll cancel that. Here we are, we're down here. Bob, sob, job, clob, mob. Can you think of another one? Knob. Number 5, read it. What do you think? Hog, dog, jog, log. Come up with your own. What's this? Mop, cop, top, stop, pop. There are probably many others. Remember the character from Hop on Pop? His name was Pop. That was the bus driver. Oh, we have more on this sheet. Oh, how exciting. Let's continue. I'm on 7. Knot, pot, lot. Can you think of another one? Rot, tot. Number 8, can you read it? Good. We have top, pop, hop, stop. Just changing the onset. We're taking off that sound. We're putting in a new sound. We're going to read on. Nod, rod, pod, sod. There might be many others that you can think of. Okay, we're moving on to the comprehension questions. Let me just move this over a bit so you can see the numbers and so we are clearly talking about the same question. Now, personally, I would rather have you just go ahead and try to ask and answer these questions on your own, but I don't want to leave anyone hanging. So the best practice and strategy for this is for you to just simply do the work on your own, and then if you're not sure about your work, come back and watch the video. But I wouldn't rely on this video as as a means of just going through and copying the answers, because we're not really about copying the answers. We're about gaining some comprehension and improving our reading skills. So yes, use this as a tool, but don't use it as a crutch, please. Okay, so assuming you have already done the work, we're going to go ahead and read the sentences. This is all about hop on, hop off. If you're not sure, you also might either use your printed copy if you printed one, or go back and look at the digital copy of this book. Number 1, Bob has a cat. What do you think there? I'm really not sure. Did Bob have a cat on the bus? Did he have a cat? I'm thinking the answer is no. He simply did not have a cat on the bus, right? We can agree? So we're going to circle the no, or you will. You're much better than I am at this. And then write the word no. Unless you find a cat, but I don't think so. Let's go to number 2. Bob has a dog. Yes or no? Well, someone is saying yes. Yes, so Bob had a little dog. Okay. Number 3. Dot has a doll. Now, did Dot have a doll on the bus? What do you think? I can go back and look it up. Good readers will go back. We're not afraid to go back and make sure. They're not trying to do a character switch or try to fool us. No, page 3 says Dot has a doll. Okay, so that was a yes. I had to go back and confirm though. Okay, number 4. Dot has a bug. A bug. Now, bug could be either an insect or a spider. Did Dot have one? The answer is no, she did not. I don't see that in the text, and we can't make an inference that she had a bug in her pocket or something. We just don't think so. So let's move on. Dot hops. Notice this word. If you take off the S, you can read that really easily, right? Hop. So find the part of the word you recognize and read it. Don't be, some people just freeze when they see an extra letter at the end of a word that they recognize. No, we're going to be looking for the section or the part of the word that we can read, and then building on that and adding the new sound in. So most of us can read hop really easily. So don't be scared when you see an extra letter on the end. It's hops, hops. Dot hops in the mud. Now, hopping in the mud doesn't seem like something I would want to do, but did Dot do that? You can go back through the text. I am not seeing that. That's a no. Number 6. Doc has a bag. I'm going to go back and focus in on the words in the book. On page 4, I am seeing Doc has his bag. So that is a yes. Doc has a medical bag with him. We're moving down to number 7. Excuse me. The bus is at the lot. One thing about these questions, they are currently in the order of the book. So the first question was about the beginning and it moves on down. So that helps me out quite a bit. And when I want to find that, the bus is in the lot, I'm on page 5 at the top. I can find it directly in the text. The bus is at the lot. So that's a yes. And number 8, Pop has Bob's dog. Oh, that's another S on the end, right? Bob's dog. And that, I remember that happening on page, let me look this up. On page 7, second sentence, Pop has Bob's dog. That's a yes on that. So circle it and then rewrite the words. Let's move on to the very last page. I'm not going to go too into this. You're much better than I am. If you do have a printed copy, that's great. I wish we could get these printed copies out to everyone. Maybe we can get some low-cost printers eventually, and everyone will be printing up a storm at home. That would be ideal. So now what we have is page 3, and I have 3 words on above the picture, and I have 3 words below the picture, and then the picture is between the words. So the picture is in the middle, but a nice word that we'd like to hear you use more often is the word between. It is one of our positional math words, so it's good to use that, between. Let's see here. We're going to read them and then try to find the pictures. So I'm going to let you do this. It's no fun if people point out the pictures to you. They're hidden, so that's fun to do. Let's just read the words, though. Bag, dog, cup, like a coffee cup, gum, doll, and bug. So once you find one of these words, one of these pictures that goes with the word, just color the picture and then you can cross it out. So you'll find one of these hidden words, one of these pictures for each of the words. Have fun learning, and I'll be back in just a little bit with our 3rd book for today.